In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Moomoo Watchlist. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clean, organized watch list on the Moomoo desktop app so you can track the stocks and ETFs that matter to you in one place. Start by launching the Moomoo desktop app and signing in to your account. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the watch list option and click it. That opens the watchlist panel, which is where any stocks you're tracking will appear. If your layout looks different, you can resize panels or switch layouts so the watchlist is visible on the left. Once it's open, you're ready to add symbols. To add your first stock, use the search bar at the top of the platform. Type a ticker symbol or company name, AAPL for Apple, for example, and select the correct listing from the results. This takes you to the stocks page. From here, click Add to Watch List, or simply hit the star or heart icon, depending on your layout. You'll see a confirmation, and the symbol will immediately appear in your watch list panel. If you add something by mistake, you can remove it later by unstarring it. A quick tip. Tickers are unique, so double-check you're choosing the right exchange and instrument before adding. Next, organize your symbols so everything stays tidy. In the Watchlist panel, click Manage Watchlists, then Add Group. Name your group something clear and short. Tech, ETFs, or dividend stocks are great starting points. After you create the group, use the search bar again to find stocks and add them into that specific group. You can usually drag symbols between groups and reorder them to prioritize the names you watch most closely. Keeping categories simple makes scanning the list much faster. Now, put your watch list to work. Click any stock in the list to open its chart in the center panel. At a glance, you'll see the current price, percent change, volume, and other key data. You can sort by column to bring the biggest movers to the top. And when you're ready to act, open the trade ticket directly from the same view to buy or sell. Think of the watch list as your command center. One click to analyze, one click to trade. If you're just getting started, a simple beginner watch list might include Apple, Nvidia, Tesla, and the SPDR S&P 500 ETF, tickers AAPL, NVDA, TSLA, and SPY. That mix lets you keep an eye on the overall market while following a few major tech leaders. That's it. Build, organize, and start monitoring with confidence.